I'd like to introduce you to the TP-Link demo van. This van we've had custom built. It allows us to show some of our enterprise networking solutions. On the right hand side here we have some of our enterprise access points. So starting at the top we have our wireless 7 access points, below it we have some of our wireless 6 access points, and then moving down we have some of our outdoor wireless 6 access points, as well as some of our wall-based wireless 6 access points as well. On the left hand side we have our cabinet that shows some of our rack mounted switches. We also have one of our enterprise ready 4G wireless gateways. Within the van we have a number of screens. These screens can be customized for the customer we're going to. If we want to run a training course here, which we can do, we actually have the ability to put live video on these screens and run through either the VIGI solution or the Omada solution with the customer and showing them how to solve solutions live.